In trading, the most dangerous thing is not a losing strategy. The most dangerous thing is a strategy that looks highly convincing before it is tested. And in one quiet moment, while Phantom's own trades were already running under his usual system, he was not looking for a new position. He was looking for an idea that might deserve a place inside the lab. And among hundreds of videos, one title made him stop. Best MACD trading strategy, 86% win rate. The promise was clear, the idea looked simple, and the message was extremely attractive. Take MACD, add the 200 EMA, combine it with support and resistance, and you have a high accuracy strategy. But Phantom does not buy titles. Phantom opens files. And in this episode, this is the file we are opening. Video title, Best MACD Trading Strategy, 86% win rate. Core idea, MACD plus the 200 EMA plus support and resistance. Main claim, a very high win rate. Official test time frame, the 15-minute time frame. Backtest scope, the entire available history. Execution integrity, bar magnifier enabled. Main question, is this really the best MACD strategy or just a title stronger than the result?